Emily, so you are a movement director, Romeo and Juliet. What do you see that role as?
I see that role as bringing some inspiration to the director, bringing physical support to the actors, so that can be in the way of warming them up, getting them to understand their bodies, getting them to physicalize the thoughts and intentions that are in their head, and then also help with getting the script in the bodies and on the stage in a way that can bring a little bit more detail than just standing in certain places. But it's very much a to and fro with you, the director.
How has it been so far, day 2 rehearsal? How's it been going with the actors?
It's been really great. They are all physically very, very capable and have a lot to offer, and what's such a luxury as a movement director is to be able to give quite a simple exercise and then say play with it, and they really push the boundaries of it, and they've been doing that in this space, which gives you such a massive wealth of different physical options to play with. I
invited you to join the production because in our work, what the audience have is 3 actors, some bare staging, some music and some costumes, and how the actors move and how they interact is really important. And I thought this is a wonderful opportunity for somebody with that skill set to come in and see what we can do. And already I think it's proving terribly successful. And we're hearing the story of Romeo and Juliet, but we're also seeing their story.
And I think to add to that, we're trying to feel it as well. So feel their Romeo and Juliet's reaction to each other, that, you know, even if it's just that thing of like getting a bit sweaty palmed or a bit excited and on edge, like how can the students and the audience recognize the feeling that they're feeling, and then the feeling of anger when Romeo like flips off the hook a bit, and what through their physicality can make them just have that intuition of, oh yeah, I know what that feels like, and that will all feed into the words that they're therefore understanding in Shakespeare.
And I think we have a cast that are very much up for it. They are fearless, I think, in following ideas that are presented, and they really are enjoying that process so far.
And you're really facilitating the play that they can find in it, with like, what are you thinking here? You could be thinking this, you could be thinking that, you could be thinking that. Woo, let's just see what happens. And with the narrator role, it just brings so much fun and possibility to the whole thing, that exploring that over this 2 days has been really great.